I think the thing that I've always found so interesting has been the involvement that we've had with groups and customers all over the world, and how we meet different technologies all the time, and they're making changes to their technology, and we're trying to help to develop the tools that are actually going to support them.
And the one I always like is the involvement with Philips and the development of space charge modelling program Scala. So the reason Philips came to us is that somebody in Philips had developed a liquid metal bearing which you could conduct heat away from the rotating anode. The duty cycle of an X-ray tube therefore changes considerably, and the standard little wound filaments burn out too fast. You've got to change the whole technology of X-ray tube design in order to utilise these liquid metal bearings, and there was no software to do it, so Philips came to us to develop Scala.
The University of Genoa has been a great collaborator for us over the years in EU projects and in other times, and we've had their students working for us, which has always been interesting for us because it just brings a different perspective into the company. The Central Research Institute for Power Industries came to us from Japan, all the way from Japan, to work with us to actually be able to look at an electrical machine rotating. And we were certainly the first, I think, 3D rotating machine solver that was available. But the interesting thing, it was a requirement from their power systems people, really, that they wanted to go to superconducting generators. They needed the rotating machine solver because the generators they were working on were superconducting, and they needed the superconducting generators to get not so much for the increased efficiency, but for the stability of the power system.
I think our customers realise that Cobham Technical Services, the Vector Fields software, is interested in their problems. I mean, wants to be involved with helping them get better solutions to the things that are important to them.
And we've tried to build that intelligence into the software now. Some of that intelligence that the applications team have into the software with the machine's environments, for example, where we can help the customers set up the analysis for a particular type of machine in the best way that we know how, and to derive the results in the correct way as well.